Welcome back coders, this is Suraj Kelhe. Here we will be fetching multiple URLs using goroutines. So time of the program is the time of longest fetch rather than the addition of multiple fetches. Let's start our program. First we declaring package main import fmt input io util http os and time. Create our function main. HTTP used for making HTTP request and getting data over the internet. Now what is goroutine? Goroutine is concurrent execution of a program. So like this function main is also goroutine. When you run the Go program, the function main running in goroutine, and when you create another goroutine, it will run concurrently with main function. Now you understand concept of the goroutine. We will create a start variable and store the current time. Then we will be creating a channel. Using the make function, creating a channel with type string. So what is channel? Just imagine channel as a bridge between two goroutines. How two goroutines running concurrently can exchange the data. That's where the channel comes. Now a channel has been created. Let's loop through all the URLs. Okay, go fetch goroutine. You just need to create a function in Go, and before calling the function just write Go, and that function will run in a separate goroutine rather than same goroutine as the main. Since the goroutine has been started, fetch function will be returning byte size of the content and the time it takes to fetch the data. So using the channel, we are receiving the data from that another goroutines. For each fetch call, there will be a one goroutine, and at the end we will be printing overall time of the whole program. Now here fetch function, there is one more thing you need to consider. Here as you can see, ch belongs to channel, and this arrow says that we are getting data from channel, and here in the fetch function, just look at that, what it represents, that we are sending data to the channel. So here arrow will be on two different sides. Okay, now here also we are using the start time. This start time and this main function start time is different. Now using http.get, we are fetching the URL content. If there is an error, push that error to the channel. Remember, this channel is of string data type, so you can only send strings. Now using response.body, we are discarding all the data. For now we just need its size, so we are discarding using io.copy. So we are just taking the size of the whole content and storing it in n bytes. After that we are closing resp.body.close just to prevent any leakages. Okay, and if there is an error, send that error to the channel and return. Time.since start.seconds means whole time of this goroutine. Finally we are sending this whole string to the channel itself. Now as you can see that here we are sending data. What will happen if two goroutines finishes at the same time? That's why we are running this range function in the main function. This range simply is number of times you need to get data from the channel. One more thing you need to consider how channel works is that suppose two goroutines are running. If one goroutine want to send or receive data, then the corresponding goroutine needs to receive or send data. After that they can go further in their processing. Till that time goroutine will stop at the receiving stage or the send stage. You need to remember that. Okay, first we will be saving this code and after that compile it. So our code has been compiled. Now we will be running our program. Here we will be supplying three links: google.com, twitter.com, youtube.com, and enter. Now fetching. As you can see, the longest time is 79 seconds. Try this again. Have you noticed something, that Twitter is in center, but sometimes it comes at the end or sometimes it comes at this second. It means that this fetch requests are running separately. They are not dependent on each other. So that's the magic of concurrency. Thank you. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. To watch more such videos, subscribe to our channel 1 Minute Notes.